how to duck in Horror Tale 1. In this video I'm going to show you how you can duck. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see I'm inside a game and I'm in this middle gameplay. Now in order to duck, here on the left you can see this duck icon, so it will simply duck the character. So it will be useful when you are going through tunnels and different objects. So you can duck and simply go to different places. So as you can see, I have entered in one. So it is very useful and you can again tap on it in order to stand up. So it's a great feature that you'll be using in this game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.